So the second problem in model 1, customer arrive at an express checkout line in the supermarket in a Poisson process with a rate of 15 per hour. So the arrival rate is 15 per hour. The time to check out a customer is an exponential random variable with a mean of 2 minutes. Service time is 2 minutes. Find the average number of customer present. Average number of customer present mean LS and LQ. Number of customer represent L. So LS and LQ. What is the expected waiting time of a customer in the system? WS. We have to find out WS. Now this is the problem. Is represent single server. They are not mentioning number of servers. Obviously it is a single server, and they are not mentioning the capacity, system capacity. Therefore it is infinite capacity. So this is a model 1, single server, infinite capacity, because they are not mentioning the system capacity. So obviously it is a infinite capacity. So this is problem under single server, infinite capacity. So from this problem I am going to find out lambda. Lambda is 15 per hour. So because customer arrival is 15 per hour. So in this problem lambda is equal to 15 per hour. But I am going to convert it into per minute. So 15 by 60 per minute. So you can simplify this. The simplification part you will be getting in terms of minute. This can be written as 1 by 4 per minute. 1 by 4 per minute. So now lambda is equal to 1 by 4 per minute. And the service time. So in this problem the service time is given by 2 minutes. So mu is equal to 2 minutes. But I want in terms of per minute. So 1 by 2 per minute. So now we have lambda and mu. So rho is equal to lambda by mu. Lambda is equal to 1 by 4. Mu is equal to 1 by 2. So this is 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So rho is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, next I am going to find out the first question. The first question is find the average number of customers present. Average number of customers means LS and LQ. So first I am going to find LS. LS is rho by 1 minus rho. Rho is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Only one customer in the system. Okay, next I am going to find out LQ. Expected number of customer in the queue. So which is rho square by 1 minus rho. So 1 by 2 the whole square by 1 minus 1 by 2. So which is equal to 1 by 4 by 1 by 2. So this becomes 2 by 4. So 1 by 2 customer in the queue. So LS and LQ is over. And another one, what is the expected waiting time W? Waiting time of a customer in the system. So next I want to find out WS. So WS is equal to, the formula for WS is 1 by mu into 1 minus rho. So this is the formula for WS. So 1 by mu. Mu value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 minus rho. What is rho? Rho is 1 by 2. So which is equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is also 1 by 2, which is 1 by 4, taken to 4 here. So 4 minutes. So customer waiting time in the system is 4 minutes. So this is the answer of the problem.